Yes, sir. Hold up. Yes, sir. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Leon. Another day, another video. We out here, man. Finna go on a nice little ride. It's a nice little hot day. We got the tie out today. Bust down, custom titanium frame. Y'all already know the deal. Y'all already know the deal. Is this red stuff on my tripper? I need to tighten these. Custom built titanium frame. Got the good old Brooks saddle on it. Y'all already know the deal. But yeah, man, it's Fleet Week over here in the Bay. We're gonna go on a little ride down through the Presidio, get active. And y'all already know the vibes. Let me post this one up. Y'all already know the vibe, man. Y'all new to the channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe button, notification button. Notify when the kid posts, man. I've been getting more active on the bike channel, man. Just trying to post some more, so. We out here, creative minds out here too. Come on, man, we getting active out here on the fly right over it. Dude. Yeah. Man, we out here. It's a good day to be on the bike, man. It's a good day to be on the bikes. I'm on the Tide gravel bike today. Everybody's out here cruising, man. It's a good little vibe today. I gotta say, you can tell global warming's real, dog, because it has been getting hot out here in the Bay Area. It is October, early to mid-October, and it's hot, okay? Like, usually this is the time where like fall leaves are falling and it's hot as hell. But man, we out here living life, getting active, man. Let's get it. Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all see it, man. Dope day to be out in the city, man. Y'all already know the vibes. These ain't the Blue Angels. These some Canadian dudes, but it's still a cool little vibe out here. Damn, they got the park ranger on the e-bike. Hold up. That's clean though. That motherfucker clean. That motherfucker clean, dog. What? We got young creative minds on the e-BZ as well. Man, come on. We've been out biking more, getting active on the bike, man. Biking is just a great way to get around the city, dog. I mean, you can't compete. I mean, you guys know we be on the car shit, but like biking around the city is just so easy to fucking do, dog. You know?